Hi, Dominic here from Bliz. I'd like to show you the BLIZ Motion Plus. Now, the Motion Plus are made for normal sized and smaller faces, and they're specially developed to be as versatile as possible and suit a wide variety of different sports where low weight and comfort are in focus. I will be taking you through the technical properties and also showing you how easy it is to change the lenses and also to adjust the glasses for the best possible fit while you're active, all in order for you to feel safe, comfortable and secure and focus on your performance.
This model is equipped with BLIZ Fusion lens technology. Unbreakable XPC polycarbonate lens with 100% UV protection. GRILAMID TR90 material for low weight and flexibility. Comfort temples in friction rubber. Adjustable nose pad in soft friction rubber. Hold the glasses firmly, placing your thumb on the center of the frame's top edge. Then grip the lens with your other hand and bend it and the frame in opposite directions until it pops free. Repeat this step on the other side. You may need to use a little force to detach the lens. To attach the new lenses, grip the frame in the same way as before. Start by attaching the lens at the frame's outer corner and bend the frame to allow you to press the lens home at the attachment point nearest the middle of the frame. You'll feel it click into place. Repeat these steps with the other lens. Make sure the lenses are sitting firmly in place before you use the glasses. The glasses will fit comfortably once you adjust the nose pad. The easiest way to do this is to use two fingers to separate or press the nose pad together. The glasses are also equipped with temples in friction rubber for better comfort and security while you're active.
Thanks very much for watching. Please follow us on social media or surf into bliz.com to find out more about our unique range of models and colours. Take care now and stay safe.